6 and negative 4 is the midpoint of A and B. A equal 5 and negative 3, then B equal. Okay, we have line segment here, AB and C. Here is the midpoint. Okay, about A and B. The order of C was 6 and negative 4. Order of A 5 and negative 3. And we want to find the order of B. We know C lies in the middle, the midpoint between A and B. Then we can write the rule 6 and negative 4. This point is the middle. It will be A plus B divided by 2, 5 plus X divided by 2, and Y minus 3 divided by 2. Then 6 equal 5 plus X over 2, and here negative 4 equal Y minus 3 over 2. 6 times 2, it will be 12, and write 5 plus X, then X will be 7, and 2 times negative 4, it will be negative 8, and Y minus 3, then Y here, it will be negative 5. Negative 5 plus negative 3 equal negative 8. Then we have the order of B equals 7 and negative 5. Okay, it's the result about this example. Next question, choose letter what? Letter A. Question number 2. The measure of the angle complements an angle measure 60. Complements, its meaning what? Sum of two angles equal what? Complement is 180 degree. Then 180 subtract by 60, it will be 120 degree. Choose letter A. Question number 3. If sine theta equals 6 tenths, this is the measure of angle theta. We can find the measure of angle theta by using calculator, by using right shift sine, shift sine 6 tenths. It will be 36 degree and 52 degree and 11 here minutes and second. Okay, the result about question number 3. Question number 4. The square whose area is 100 square centimeter, then its diagonal length equal space. Okay, here given the example, the area 100 square centimeters, then the diagonal, we know the area of square equal half times diagonal over 2. It's the rule. Then we can write 100 hertz area equal half times diagonal over 2, because he give us the area. So d power 2 will be 2 times the half, it will be 200. And d here, it will be square root of 200. Then d will be square root of 200 equal what? 100 times 2 here. And then the result will be square root of 100, it will be 10, and write 2. Choose letter C. The result will be, we have again 2 times 100, 200 here, it will be 2 times 100. Okay, and then write square root of 2 times the square root of 100. Square root of 100 will be 10, then the result will be 10 root 2. Okay, it's clear with you here. Choose letter D. Question number 5. ABC is right angle triangle at B. ABC here, where A 1 and 4 and B negative 1 and negative 2. Then the slope of BC equal what? We want to find the slope about BC. First step, AB perpendicular to BC. Then slope 1, it will be slope 1, and here M2. M1 reverse to slope about EB equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. He give us order of A 1 and 4 and order of B -1 and -2. So we can find the slope about EB here, y2 minus y1, 4 minus minus 2 over 1 minus minus 1. 4 plus 2, it will be 6. 1 plus 1 equal to 6 divided 2 equals 3. It's slope 1. And slope 2 here, we can write it the inverse about this number and change the sign, because AB perpendicular to BC, it's meaning M1 multiplication by M2 equal -1, and M1 or M2 equal -1 over M1. We want to find slope 2, we can write the inverse about this number and change the sign. The result will be -1 over 3. Shows letter E about this example. Okay, he tell us AB perpendicular to BC, then the slope about AB product about the slope of BC equal -1. The slope about AB equal 3, then the slope about CB, write the inverse about this number and change the sign. The result will be -1 over 3. Question number 6. The sum of the lengths of any two sides in any triangle greater than the length of the third side. Choose letter C. It's the rule about any triangle. Sum of two sides in any triangle, sum of two lengths, or the sum of the lengths of any two sides in triangle greater than the third, such that if we have triangle ABC, then EC plus EB will be greater than CB. Sum of any two sides in a triangle, it will be greater than the third. Question number 2. We have a right angle triangle, it will be isosceles, and here A, B, C, which AC to AB, AC, we want to find the ratio between them. Okay, we can find BA from Pythagoras. Square root of L power 2 plus L power 2, then BA equal square root of 2L power 2. Square root of 2, right, square root of 2, and L power 2, it will be L. Then BA equal L root 2. Then the ratio between three sides here, EC to BC to AB, we can write the ratio. AB was L. Okay, AB, I get it here, L multiplication by root 2, then the result will be root 2L, root 2L. And BC was L, and AB, AC, okay, sorry, AC was L. AC was L centimeter, and BC was L, and EB L multiplication by root 2, root 2 multiplication by L. We can cancel L by L by L, and the result will be 1 to 1 to root 2. Okay, it's the ratio between them. Second question, you want to find tan B and sine E. We can write tan B about this example. Tan, it will be opposite over adjacent. L over L, it will be 1. L, it will be 1. And you want to find sine A, angle A here. Sine, it will be opposite over hypotenuse L over root 2L, then sine A will be 1 over root 2. The result here 1 over root 2. Okay. Next question, letter B. If the distance between 2 points equal to root 5, find the value of x. Okay, we can solve the example by using the rule about distance between 2 points. First point, the order was x and 5, and second point 6 and 1, and the distance between them 2 root 5. Then we can write 2 root 5, the distance between them. Write the rule here, square root of x minus 6 power 2 and 5 minus 1 power 2. And then write power 2 to right hand side at left hand side. Right here, 2 power 2, 4, 4 times 5, it will be 20. Okay, it will be power 2. Power 2 cancels the root. The result will be x minus 6 power 2. 5 minus 1, 4, 4 power 2 equals 16. 16 subtract from 20, it will be 4 equal 6 power 2. Then we can write square root about left hand side, right hand side. Then positive or negative 2 equal x minus 6. We have two solutions here. Then x minus 6 will be equal 4, or x minus 6 it will be negative 2. Okay, then x minus 6 equal 4, then x will be 10, and x minus 6 equal negative 2, then x here it will be 4. 4 minus 6 it will be negative 2. So we will have two solutions here about x. X will be here 10, x minus 6 it will be 2, square root here 2. Okay, again x minus 6 it will be positive 2, and x minus 6 equal negative 2. Then x here it will be 8, and x minus 6 equal negative 2, then x it will be 4. So we have here two solutions, 8 or 4. 8 or 4. Okay. Question number 3. Letter A. If the point A, B, C, D are the vertices of rhombus, find the coordinate of the intersection point of its diagonal. We have rhombus and we have two diagonals. We know two diagonals perpendicular and bisect each other about this rhombus. Okay, we know A was 3 and 2, and B was 4 and negative 3, and C was negative 1 and negative 2, and D negative 2 and 3. Question number 1, find the coordinate of the intersection point here. I'll put here M. M lies between A and C in the middle of the point here. Then M equal, we can add 3 and negative 1 over 2, and 2 and negative 2 over 2. 2 minus 2, it will be 4. Then 3 minus 1, 2, 2 divided by 2, 1, and 2 plus 2, 4, 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Then the result will be 1 and 2. It's the midpoint between A and C. Okay, and then he won't find the area of rhombus. The area of rhombus, it will be here half times multiplication by two diagonals. Then you must find we have here 3 minus 2, again 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 1, 2, 2 divided to 1 again, and 2 minus 2, it will be 0. It's minus, not positive. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 divided by 2 equal 2. Then the middle here, it will be 1 and 0. And then we can find the area of rhombus by find AC and CD. EC can write the square root of 3 minus 1, it will be 4. 4 power 2, it will be 16. And 2 minus 2, 4. 4 power 2, it will be 16. Square root of 16 plus 16. Square root of 32, it will be 4 root 2 length unit. And BD, 4 minus 2, it will be 6. 6 power 2, 36. Negative 3 minus 3, negative 6 power 2, 36. The result will be square root of 72. 72 square root of it will be 6 root 2, because 36 times 2, write 6 outside and 2 inside, so the length unit. Then the area will be equal half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 times 4 root 2 times 6 root 2. Half times 4 equal 2. 2 times 6 12. Root 2 right times root 2 it will be 2. 2 times 12 it will be 24 square unit. Understood? It's area about rhombus. Next question, without using calculator, find the value of x. In this example, we have 2 sine x equal sine 30 cosine 60 plus cosine 30 sine 60 cosine 30 sine 60. We can solve this example, right? 2 sine x equal sine 30, it will be half. Look at this right angle triangle, 30 and 60, 1 and 2, and root 3 over 2, it will be cosine 30. And cosine 60, 1 over 2. Cosine 30, 30 here, adjacent over hypotenuse, root 3 over 2, and sine 60, root 3 over 2. Okay, sine will be opposite over hypotenuse. Then 2 sine x, it will be half, multiplication by half, it will be fourth. Root 3 over 2 times root 3 over 2, it will be 3 over 4. Sum of them, it will be 1. Then 2 times sine x, it will be 1. We can divide it by 2. Then sine x, it will be half. Then the measure of angle x, shift sine half, it will be 30 degree. The angle here is 30 degree. Okay. Question letter B. Prove the following equality: tan theta, tan 60. Prove that tan 60 equal to tan 20 or 30. Okay, to tan 30 over 1 subtract by 10 power 2 30. We can draw right angle triangle, 30 60 30 and 60, 1 and 2, and here 3. Then we can write left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side here, tan 60, this angle 60, tan it will be opposite over hypotenuse, root 3 over 2, and left hand side 2 multiplication by tan 30 over 1 subtract by 10 power 2 30. Tan 30, we have 30 here, it will be 1 over what? 10 opposite over 1 over root 3, subtract 1 subtract 10 power 2 30, it will be 1 over root 3. It will be equal 2 times 1 over root 3, it will be 2 over root 3 divided by 1 subtract by 1 over root 3 power 2, it will be 1 over 3 third. Okay, and then we can find the result between two numbers. 2 over root 3 divided by 1 subtract third, it will be 2 over 3. Convert from division to multiplication, write 2 over root 3 times 3 over 2, cancel 2 by 2, then the result will be 3 over root 3. We can find the result in the simplest form by write multiplication 3 root 3 numerator and numerator. Then we can write c root 3 over 3, cancel 3 by 3, then the result will be root 3. Okay, it was question letter B. Okay, understood. The result will be here root 3 and tan 60 opposite over It's tan, not sine. Okay, tan 60, it will be root 3 over 1. Then tan 60, it will be root 3. Then left hand side equal right hand side equal root 3. Okay, it's 10, but sine 60, it will be opposite over hypotenuse. 10, it will be opposite over adjacent. Root 3 over 1, it will be root 3. Okay, question number 5. Prove that 3 points are collinear. Point A, negative 2 and 5, 3 and 3, 3, negative 4 and 2. To prove that 3 points are collinear, you can find slope of AB equal y2 minus y1, 3 minus 5 over x2 minus x1. 3 minus 5, it will be negative 2, and 3 minus minus 2 is negative term, negative positive. 3 plus 2 will be 5. Then the slope here equal negative 2 over 5. And slope of BC, we can write 2 minus 3, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, negative 4 minus 3. 2 minus 3, negative 1 over negative 7. The result will be 1 over 7. Then A and B and C are not collinear because the slope 1 not equal to slope 2. Then A and B and C not collinear. Not what? Not collinear. Okay.